Hello friends, good morning. Let's discuss with intraday commodity and currency strategy and levels. Yesterday we have saw that gold and silver closed on a very flat note. However, prices have recovered from the lower levels. The trend of gold and silver is still positive. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 46,150 and resistance at 46,650. Silver has a strong support at 48,150 and resistance at 48,950. Since the trend is positive, so we are recommending gold and silver buy on dips. Today we are expecting a positive trend will continue. Now let's talk about base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal has recovered from the lower levels and closed on a positive note. Resume of industrial activity and reopen from the lockdown of the major economies has supported the base metals. Yesterday we have noticed that copper has increased by 1%, which is the sign of positive trend. For intraday perspective, we are also expecting some positive trend will continue in base metal. For intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 410 and resistance at 418. Zinc also increased yesterday. For intraday perspective, zinc has a strong support at 154 and resistance at 159. Lead has a strong support at 129 and resistance at 134. Base metals are expecting to trade positive on the back of positive outcomes from major economies and resume of industrial activity. However, the tension between US and China over Hong Kong might be curb the base metal prices. So we are recommending base metal to buy on dips, and we are expecting the positive trend will continue in base metals. Now if we talk about energy segment, yesterday crude prices had increased by almost 2.79% from the lower levels. Currently crude oil prices in international market is trading around $33. The trend is still positive. The demand has increased, supplies has tightened. So we are expecting again a positive trend will continue in crude oil prices. So we are recommending buy on dips in energy segment. Now let's talk about the agriculture segment. Yesterday we have noticed that all edible oil segment traded on a positive note on the back of increased demand of the edible oils from domestic as well as in international market. We are expecting soybean, refined soya, CPO will trade on a positive note. So we are recommending buy on a dips in edible oil segment. Now if we talk about the spice segment, Jeera has recovered from lower levels 13,000 to 13,600 in last couple of days. The demand has increased after the open of some relaxation in lockdown and the increase in the demand of the spice segment. So we are expecting that the trend of Jeera will remain continue as a positive. So we are recommending to buy in Jeera. Now if we look after the currency segment, yesterday we saw a flat kind of trend in USD INR. But today it's open with appreciation, almost 10 paisa appreciated by, and open at 75.91 and just made a low of 75.87. Resistance at 76.10. We are expecting some appreciation mode in USD INR, so we are recommending to sell in dollar, and we expect appreciation in the USD INR for intraday perspective. Thank you.